Imarati roastery. Don't forget this roastery is amazing. They are producing very good coffee. They will change the coffee. We are on the project, just secret, I don't want to tell you. Soon you will know about the project and we will make the video for that.
Belum tertinggi di dunia. I will break this. Ada sepeda motor didominasi dengan delivery order. That one is MRT.
Where?
The train.
Yeah,
What you call it? That one here.
metro.
Metro, eh?
Dubai, metro Dubai.
By metro. In our country, we just want to start the MRT.
This one is the company name for all transportation and everything is called RTA.
Oh, RTA. Inilah keadaan kota di I'm ready. All right. Here we go.
They roast, Allah.
Oh. They make some picture. What's different? Okay, get
We
out.
close the road.
You will parking here?
Yeah.
Wait. Hello, second roastery.
Roasting, roasting.
Nice. Itu ada probat. Kayak 22 kilo. Kita coba masuk, kita lagi roasting. Alright. Oh, smell good. First crack. Oh, saya. Kulit dia. This one is new process, hydro honey natural ferment. So it means will be more ferment. See that?
Believe me, we are running
Sweet.
and doing the best. This one is just hint because in the future you will see something amazing. Believe me.
Di di roastery kedua. Ini adalah roastery yang kita ambil jenisnya untuk kita bikin espresso di sana. Kita lihat dia jadi lagi explain. Hydro honey and natural fermentation. So let's try if it's Oke, jadi ada proses baru. Di situ ada natural and hydro ferment. Kita coba cupping. Apakah nanti uniformnya dapat, sweetnya dapat, flavornya dapat. Soalnya beans yang aku pakai yang di Coffeeshop itu agak susah pas kalibrasi. Kremanya masih gasing. Ketika kita bikin latte art, gelembungnya banyak sekali. Dan aku ketemu dengan kayak rasanya itu kayak ben gitu, kayak rasa gosong atau sangit kalau dibilang. Kita coba ngambil beans yang baru.